Revamp side yard with these easy and stylish ideas. Looking to give your side yard a fresh and stylish makeover? You've come to the right place. Your side yard can be an untapped oasis waiting to be transformed into a beautiful outdoor space. With a little bit of inspiration and creativity, you can revamp your side yard into a stunning area that adds both curb appeal and functionality to your home. In this article, we'll explore a variety of easy and stylish ideas to help you achieve your yard goals and create a garden beauty that will leave your neighbors in awe. Embrace landscaping ideas. One of the key aspects of revamping your side yard is landscaping. By carefully planning your outdoor design, you can transform even the smallest of spaces into a visually appealing landscape. Consider using your side yard to create a beautiful pathway or adding some greenery with potted plants. By incorporating elements such as rocks, flowers, and shrubs, you can create an inviting and serene environment. Get creative with outdoor decor. Don't shy away from adding some personality to your side yard with outdoor decor. Stylish and unique garden ornaments, such as colorful wind chimes or decorative planters, can instantly elevate the look of your outdoor space. Hang some string lights or lanterns to create a cozy and magical ambience, perfect for enjoying warm summer evenings. Additionally, consider adding a stylish bench or swing to provide a comfortable seating area for relaxation and outdoor living. Enhance curb appeal with fencing and gates. Another great way to revamp your side yard is by adding a stylish fence or gate. They not only provide privacy, but also contribute to the overall aesthetic appeal of your outdoor space. Choose a fence or gate that complements the design of your home and matches your personal style. Go for a trendy wood or metal design, and consider adding climbing plants or vines for a touch of natural beauty. Utilize vertical space. When working with limited space, it's important to maximize every inch available. Vertical gardening is a great solution for utilizing the vertical space in your side yard. Install wall-mounted planters or vertical gardens to add greenery without taking up too much ground space. By going vertical, you can create a stunning and eye-catching display of plants and flowers that will instantly transform your side yard. Create a functional outdoor space. Make the most of your side yard by transforming it into a functional outdoor living area. Install a pergola or awning to provide shade and create a cozy space for outdoor gatherings and entertaining. Add comfortable outdoor furniture, such as a dining set or lounge chairs, to make your side yard a comfortable extension of your home. Consider incorporating a fire pit or a small water feature to add a touch of tranquility and create a relaxing atmosphere. With these easy and stylish ideas, revamping your side yard has never been more exciting. By incorporating landscaping ideas, adding outdoor decor, enhancing curb appeal, utilizing vertical space, and creating a functional outdoor space, you can transform your side yard into a beautiful oasis. Let your creativity flow and allow your side yard to become a reflection of your personal style and outdoor aspirations. Remember, a little effort can go a long way, and the end result will be a yard that is both aesthetically pleasing and functional, providing you with the perfect outdoor retreat. So, get started on your side yard makeover and enjoy the outdoor beauty that is waiting just outside your door. Your side yard is like a hidden gem waiting to be discovered and turned into a beautiful outdoor space. With a little inspiration and creativity, you can transform this overlooked area into a stylish extension of your home. In this article, we will explore some easy and stylish ideas to revamp your side yard and enhance its curb appeal. Let's dive in and discover the endless possibilities for your outdoor makeover. Utilize vertical space. Maximize your side yard by going vertical. Install wall-mounted planters to create a living wall full of lush greenery. Hang decorative outdoor lanterns or string lights to add a touch of ambience. You can even mount shelves for displaying potted plants or showcasing outdoor decor. Create a pathway. Guide your guests through your side yard with a charming pathway. Whether you prefer a gravel path or stepping stones, make sure it complements your outdoor design. Add solar-powered lights along the pathway for a magical evening ambience. Consider lining the path with low-maintenance plants or colorful flowers to elevate the garden beauty. Install a pergola. For an outdoor living space that exudes elegance, consider adding a pergola to your side yard. It provides shade and defines the area, creating an inviting space to relax and entertain. Hang curtains for privacy, add cozy seating, and adorn it with potted plants for a cozy and stylish outdoor retreat. Incorporate water features. Embrace the soothing sounds of nature by incorporating a water feature into your side yard. for a small fountain, a bubbling rock, or even a mini koi pond. The sound of running water will create a peaceful atmosphere, transforming your side yard into an oasis for relaxation. Enhance with outdoor decor. To add charm and personality to your side yard, adorn it with outdoor decor. Hang colorful wind chimes, install a decorative trellis, or showcase a unique sculpture. Consider adding a weather-resistant mirror to create a sense of space and reflection. Use vibrant outdoor rugs, throw pillows, and cushions to add comfort and style. Revamping your side yard can drastically increase the beauty and functionality of your outdoor space. By implementing these easy and stylish ideas, you'll be able to transform your side yard into a stunning extension of your home. Embrace outdoor living, improve your curb appeal, and create a space that fulfills your yard goals. So, roll up your sleeves, get inspired, and start designing the side yard of your dreams.